that's it. It happens to all of us. At some stage we decide that we have to eat super healthy, so we load up our fridge with veggies of all kinds. And then a couple of weeks down the line, we go and look inside the fridge and we see that broccoli almost not edible anymore. And it's there and it's looking at us. So what do? With a cup of broccoli that is about to go off, we make some pasta. So full recycle today. Cup of broccoli that I had in the fridge, some garlic, and for the muddica, which is the breadcrumbs in Italian, I didn't even have those. So I toasted some gluten-free bread, put it in the blender, and I got my breadcrumbs. Full recycle. So the oil is heating up in the pan. I'll just throw some garlic in and start boiling my pasta. As always, I'm using qualche. This time it's fusilli. Pasta is ready. I'm just going to add some pepper and the gluten-free breadcrumbs. Let's give it a try. This is so good. The creaminess of the broccoli and the crunchiness of the toasted breadcrumbs. That's a perfect combination. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Ciao, but that's it.